This is like dystopian, man.
This is dystopian. Okay, this is where you're going to live, you'll study. Yeah. Live under a rifle range. Yeah, that hole's been there forever.
Yeah, I shot a few of them. There's like holes in the roof. I think I shot a few up there. Well, I don't see them now.
So, Oakley, when we were kids, and I'll show you a picture of this. When we were kids, they had these mats you'd lay on. And you had your .22 rifle, and you'd shoot into that target out the other end, you could never see. This just shows you how many years have gone by, because none of these trees are here.
Yeah, the hill's still out here.
Yeah, the hill's still there.
Right in front of us.
And it's full of lead.
Yeah. Yeah, there's probably...
You were shooting at the backstop.
There's probably a ton of lead in that hill.
Yeah, oh my God, yeah. Huh? You come back here.
Just watch out for the thorns.
Stickums, okay? Stickies.
Thorns. Yeah, there's...
What are thorns? These thorny things. What plant is this? Wow.
Yeah, it's sort of moon-shaped.
Yeah, see this hill here, Oakley? This is not an Indian burial mound. This is where we used to shoot rifles. Ow! Sorry, you got to pay attention.
That was you?
Pay attention.
Just all the old posts have rotted away.
Yeah. Dude, these are 20-year-old trees. Like, these trees were not here.
Yep. Like that's a tree you don't want to run into there. That one, look at those thorns. Big old
Here, let me
thorns.
see. Okay.
Yeah, not a whole lot. Move her, get out of the way.
You can really go to lead company here. You're talking like 50 years of kids shooting bullets into this hill.
Millions of bullets, dude. Me and some other guys on an empty week, we probably shot 10,000 rounds back here in 1 week.
Inside of this turf.
I mean, they probably didn't go much further than down here.
That doesn't really dissolve.
Yeah. Well, I mean, someday in the far future, a million years from now, somebody's going to find a lead deposit in this hill.
There's lead mining here, strip mine the whole place. We only found lead in one place. Okay. Oh, and there's plenty of leaves. Like.
And all the future archaeologists wondering, why is there so much lead here? Yeah. Our ancestors used to shoot lead into the dirt for some reason. You snagged a branch, dude. Yeah, on your right side there. And down on the bottom.
So Bobby will be up here in a second, okay?
Yeah, she's probably going over there.
He knows where we are.
It's gonna take like 3 hours to get here.
I want to see if I can find a clear spot to put this up and take a little above shot of the rifle.
Not many clear spots here.
Yeah.
You have to go back out to the trail again.
Oh, come on.
Take your time on. Don't get snagged by anything. And the archery range was always more minimalist. They didn't really have like a little shelter, but
It was just like a little wood shelter.
Grown over completely. Yeah, that's not gonna be fun. Doesn't really tree.
And when you get there, it's all full.
Yeah, I guess we'll put it up in a clearing. We'll fly it. Oh, well, no, that's a little too much.
Well, you can go up high, dude.
I know. There's just so many trees to get out of here, though.
We gotta find a clear. Over here, Denny?
I can hand launch it, maybe.
I'll get you up. Yeah. Turn it on.
I think maybe right up through here.
Yeah, we'll get it up through here.